All right, in this video, we're going to look at the Week 3 Support 2. This comes from Section 7.1 of your text. This video is not designed to replace the text. It's just made to supplement it. Please make sure you're reading the text in addition to watching the videos. We want to start off by looking at some restrictions on a domain. Now, if we were to look at a function x plus 5, well, x can be any number. So it can be absolutely any number you want. There are no restrictions. So it can be any number from negative infinity to positive infinity. Notice I use parentheses here. In a previous video, I talked about parentheses versus brackets. Since you can never actually reach the number negative infinity or infinity, we use parentheses for infinity and negative infinity. Now let's look at a rational expression. Are there any equal to 0? X equals x equal express this in terms of how well, x number from negative to negative 1, and then it can go from negative 1 to positive infinity. If you notice right here, we're not inserting negative 1 from the left, the value of negative 1, but we can use negative 1.001, you know. Next one, y minus 5 over y squared minus 81. Again, we want to set y squared minus 81 equal to 0. Add 81, you get y squared equals 81. Now, some people will say square root both sides, y equals 9. However, you want to be very careful, because when you square roots, remember you need the positive and the negative. So the positive and the negative, y also can't equal negative 9. We're going to put plus or minus negative 9. Now, how do we write this in terms of as a domain? Well, we can go from negative infinity to negative 9. Then we can go from negative 9 to positive 9. Then we can go from 9 to positive infinity. If you see, we eliminated negative 9 and positive 9 from that domain because both of those points can't be used. Now let's look at factoring out some terms. We're going to factor out some terms we're going to use to simplify our rational expressions. Hopefully you remember a little bit about factoring. If we look at 3x plus 9, is there a common factor in 3x and 9? Is x 9 divided by 3. Again, 5x divided by 5 minus squared plus 6x. We have 4 is a common factor, but also now we're going to use this to simplify some rational expressions. We have negative 4 divided by 4x minus 8. Well, does 4x minus 8 have a common factor? Sure, it does, 4. I'm going to rewrite this, negative 4 over, and I'm going to take out a 4. I'm going to be left with x minus 2. Well, now look, now we have a negative 4 and a 4, so can we divide? Yes, we can. Negative 4 divided by 4 gives us negative 1 over x minus 2, and that's how you simplify. Now let's take a look at this one over here. x over x plus 1. Well, remember, since this is addition, not multiplication, you cannot cancel out the x's. That is a common mistake. Please don't make it. This is actually already in simplest form. You cannot factor anything out. You cannot reduce that in any way. You cannot simplify.